Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 111. The metric class of a certain high school is to vote for the chairperson of the RCL. The scatter plot below shows the IQ of the 10 learners who received the most votes and the number of votes that they received. Before the election, the popularity of each of these 10 learners was established, and the popularity score out of 100 was assigned to each. The popularity scores and the number of votes of the same 10 learners who received the most votes are shown in the table below. Right, so we have the popularity score represented by X, and then we have the number of votes represented by Y there. Now, we are required to calculate the mean number of votes that these 10 learners received. The mean for these values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of them. So the mean is equal to 9 plus 22 plus 10 plus 21 plus 11 plus 15 plus 20 plus 12 plus 19 plus 16. That is the sum of the data items, which is 155. And then we divide by the number of data items. There are 10 of them. So the mean is equal to 15,5. But let me show you, you can also use a calculator. We press mode, and then we look for states, and then 1 minus VAR, or just VAR in some of the calculators. Enter each data item, like 9, then press equals, 22 equals, 10 equals, 21 equals, 11 equals, 15 equals, 20 equals, 12 equals, 19 equals, 16 equals. And then you press AC. Then after that, press Shift, then 1. And then you press VAR, and then you look for the mean, which is number 2 there. Then equals. So this is giving you your mean. Right, that's another way of calculating the mean.